Well, welcome back to the planning desk here. I'm glad to say finally that after about 5 weeks, this project is complete. It's ran into a few hiccups on the way, but I'm glad to say that the job they did, as usual, is excellent, and I couldn't be happier with it. It looks great. I've been walking all through it, playing with all the new things put into it. And, well, tomorrow morning, after I get one of the best sleeps of my life this past 5 weeks, I'll get up and we'll go out and I'll give you a walkthrough of what this huge project, the addition of the new 12-volt Dometic AC unit, the extra battery power, and the extra solar power that I had added to this, in addition to a lot of little minor tune-ups and stuff that I felt needed for this trip. But yeah, oh man, I've been going through all my notes, throwing out the old stuff, because nowadays I don't need these huge map books, map guides. I just go back to the old gas station style state maps, and that, in addition to my cell phone, is all I need to pack, really. So I'm getting rid of a lot of stuff I've packed in the past that I don't need any longer. Kind of lighten up the load, give me more storage space in addition to where I put things they're used to. So, oh yeah, tomorrow we'll do our walkthrough and I'll show you what everything looks like. And then I got to get busy packing because I want to get out of here in a week. We got a long ways to go and a short time to get there, as the song goes. So, again, I am just so happy to have my little RV home again. And I can't wait to show it to you guys tomorrow morning after I get a good night's sleep tonight. And then after I show it to you, we walk around and I point things out, and you can see the before and after pictures, what a big difference it was, and how it was created and how it was built. I think it'll give all of you guys out there, whether you own a little Class B RV or maybe you got a Sprinter van that you're just now starting to work on and build out. A lot of stuff I've done to this Sprinter van RV over the past 6 years, you will find will work for you guys as you build out your own. Maybe it give you better ideas than what you might have seen or had to start with. But, oh, yeah, exhausted, but happy. So, I'm going to hit the sack, and Kate and I will get up tomorrow morning. We'll go out there, and we'll show you what the rig looks like now. And I think once you see the before and after pictures, you're going to go, wow, just like I did when I finally saw it completed. So, whew. We'll do that, show it to you tomorrow, and then I got to get busy packing and then hit the road here. So, you guys get some rest. I'm going to sure get some rest, and we'll see you tomorrow morning, bright and early, and we'll walk out and I'll show you the RV. Okay? Night night. See you in a bit. Well, we finally got the RV back finally after 5 weeks of work in the shop. We finally got the rig back. She's right here and ready for the walkthrough. Okay? Hope you guys got some rest last night. I'm not going to get any rest today or tomorrow. I got to pack this thing now. But let's go walk around it and I'll show you what's been done. Okay, here we are in the rear. This is my new Owl 30-inch storage box. and my owl tire holder and my spare tire with my new nice tire cover over it. So this thing is going to save me a lot of pain. I can get a lot of stuff that's inside the RV into this now. Let's open it up and I'll show you the rear and how that's been changed with the larger, newer batteries. Well, you can see I got my 2000 watt pure sine inverters here still. This is the new box they built for my one of two 270 amp hour Battleborn batteries. And over here is the other 270 watt Battleborn battery. And this is not put in the box because right back here is my fuse box, breaker box, that I have to have access to. But this thing is in there. It ain't coming out, even if I get in a collision. I told them I go on some terrible roads, like driving down the railroad track. So they put this stuff in, so it ain't coming out, period. All around, everything had to come out. We pulled down the roof to put in the wiring for the brand new 12 volt AC. And they had to do a lot of rewiring, new wiring, and it's been a hell of a job, but they did it, and they did it well. So let's go inside and I'll show you what the insides look like. Well, I showed you the rear and the batteries in that, so let's go inside and I'll show you the change made in here. If you look over my head, you'll see my awning, and then you'll see the first two 200 watt solar panels, and right over here at the end is my third 200 watt solar panel, and in between in that gap is the brand new wide Dometic 12 volt AC. And I'll show you how that works once we're inside. That other weird looking thing that's poking its head over the top of my van is just a street light. So let's go in and I'll show you the changes inside. Well, it's starting to rain again, so I'll try to get this done as quick as I can. I'm going to be packing in the rain, I think. So let's get inside here. All right, yeah, there we go. There, close the door. All right, now let me show you what's going on here. The one thing I was concerned about was having the roof rack just high enough to allow the vent fan here to be cranked open so it would still automatically start at a point where it's high enough. And we measured it before they installed the roof rack and the solar panels, and it works. It's just I open this up now. I've got it set temperature wise, so there we go. So it does still work. It taps the bar above it, but not the solar panel above it. So that does work. That'll help keep it cool in here on days I don't need the full AC on. Now you remember the old carry-on AC, how huge that thing was? Well, that bugger was enormous compared to this. And I can still see the indentations here that outline how huge it was. But in time, that foam soft top will relax and it'll be flatter. Right now I can hardly tell. I probably could clean it off a little better, but this is great. And this comes with an automatic little pocket control and push button up here. So let me go up here. Let me go up here and show you. And I just push this button here to start it. It's set for 62. Now it It comes on slowly and then builds up, and then as the temperature changes, it'll tamper down also. So it doesn't stay at high hot. So it doesn't stay at high volume. Now that's high right now. Takes a bit to wind down, but I tell you, if you think that's loud, that is quiet compared to the old carry-on I had. That sounded like I was running my house vacuum in here. So I'm very pleased with this. And the little toggle switches here to aim the air better. Much, much nicer. Much, much nicer. Well, things have certainly become chaotic. I got into a time crunch. I had to pack up quickly and take the heck off. And where we usually go, usually you don't have cell service. You know, that's why I'm thinking about maybe switching to Starlink, but I'm not convinced that's the answer yet. But anyway, I'm trying to finish this one video and then start putting the ones together that I've started for on the road already. So right now my mind is just like scrambled eggs. I thought I had the hotspot, but apparently somehow that data use is used up, and I gotta wait a few more days before I get new data stuff. God, I wish I had somebody teach me this crap. Anyway, I'm just frustrated as hell right now. So, sorry for the lag and all this. It's totally a plate of scrambled eggs right now. So, we're the hell out here in the mountains. No cell service. The stupid hotspot ran out of data. I don't know how that happened because I haven't even used it. So, okay, I'm gonna grab me a beer and chill out here, calm down, and plan for getting somewhere tomorrow where we got some decent internet service, where I don't have to use the hotspot. And hopefully I can get this daggone video finished and then be somewhere where I can start putting the other ones together to show you what we've done so far since all the frustration getting this done and put out. So, yeah, RV life isn't smooth sailing all the time, especially when you're trying to make a video log of your life on the road. So, anyway, I'm going to shut it down here. As always, Kate and I wish you all out there that are watching us happy trails and woof woof. Hopefully we'll catch up here soon. Stick with us. There's adventures coming.